Are you ready to throw the ultimate Super Bowl party this year? Wondering how to wow your guests with creative, affordable, and unforgettable decorations? Stick around because we're diving into everything you need to make your party a touchdown-worthy success. How can you incorporate team colors into your decor? Celebrating the teams playing in the Super Bowl adds a personal touch to your party. Here's how to do it. 1. Balloon bouquets. Use team-colored balloons to decorate corners or create a photo backdrop. 2. Team-colored accessories. Add napkins, table runners, and even coasters in your team's colors. 3. DIY streamers. Make easy streamers with crepe paper and team colors for walls and ceilings. Subscribe now to stay updated with all our festive decor tips and tricks. How can you make a memorable Super Bowl snack table? The snack table isn't just about food, it's also a centerpiece of your decor. Here's how to make it stand out. 1. Football field table cover. Use a green tablecloth with white yard lines to mimic a football field. 2. Tiered food displays. Arrange snacks on tiered stands to add visual interest and save space. 3. Labeling fun. Create football-themed labels for your dishes, such as touchdown tacos or field goal fries. Drop a comment below with your favorite Super Bowl snack idea. We might feature it in our next video. What lighting options work best for a Super Bowl party? Lighting can make or break your party ambiance. Here are some winning ideas. 1. String lights. Choose football-shaped or team-colored string lights to hang around the room. 2. LED spotlights. Use team-colored spotlights to highlight key areas like the snack table or seating area. 3. Candle substitutes. Opt for LED candles in team colors for a cozy yet safe atmosphere. Check the description for a playlist of other amazing party decoration ideas to inspire you even further. What are some unique finishing touches to elevate your Super Bowl party decor? It's the small details that leave a lasting impression. Try these finishing touches. 1. Photo booth. Set up a football-themed photo booth with props like helmets, jerseys, and signs. 2. Personalized jerseys. Use printable iron-on transfers to make mini jerseys as party favors or table decor. 3. Game day chalkboard. Write the game schedule, team names, or fun messages on a chalkboard for a personal touch. Looking for more products as seen in this video? Check the description to grab yours now. What are some essential Super Bowl-themed decorations for your party? Creating the right atmosphere starts with iconic Super Bowl essentials. Here's what you'll need. 1. Football-themed tableware. Stock up on plates, cups, napkins, and tablecloths with football designs to instantly set the tone. 2. Banners and flags. Add team banners, pennants, and mini flags to cheer for your favorite team. 3. Centerpieces. Use football helmets, mini goalposts, or a bowl of faux turf with snacks as centerpieces. Don't forget to like and share this video if you're enjoying these ideas so far. What are some creative DIY decoration ideas for a budget-friendly Super Bowl party? You don't need a big budget to make a big impression. Try these. 1. DIY goalposts. Use PVC pipes or pool noodles to craft mini goalposts for decor or games. 2. Paper football garland. Create a garland using cut-out football shapes and string. 3. Repurposed mason jars. Paint mason jars in team colors and use them to hold utensils or flowers. For more similar videos, check the description. We've got plenty more inspiration waiting for you. How can you make your viewing area Super Bowl ready? Comfort and style are key when setting up the perfect viewing area. Here's how. 1. Seating options. Add comfy chairs, beanbags, or cushions in team colors to ensure everyone has a good seat. 2. Large screen focal point. Decorate around your TV or projector screen with football-themed banners or garlands. 3. Team spirit props. Place foam fingers, pom-poms, or team hats nearby for fans to grab during the game. Check the description for links to products featured in this video to complete your party setup. And there you have it. Everything you need to host a Super Bowl party that your guests will remember for years to come. From the essential decorations to creative finishing touches, these ideas will help you score big with your guests. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.